So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the omnichord. Yeah. Omni means really, chord means brilliant. I'm going to show you what this baby can do. The omnichord is a three-pronged attack on music. The first thing it does is the beat. The second thing it does is the chord sound. Hey? Now there's one more thing this baby does. Are you ready for this? This metallic strip here makes a harp sound. Oh yeah. My friend Dave is a little bit square, just like a fridge. My friend Dave hasn't got any hair, just like a fridge. Dave doesn't listen to what you say. He likes to pretend that everything's okay. And Dave keeps things the same way every day, just like a fridge. Just like a fridge. My friend Dave is white, just like a fridge. Dave doesn't wash, so he gently hums, just like a fridge. His light comes on when you open the door. You can only use Dave for what Dave is for. And Dave at a party is a bit of a bore. Just like a fridge. Just like a fridge. My friend Dave is cold inside, just like a fridge. But he's warm if you touch him on the back, just like a fridge. Dave's dad is called Eric and his mum is Joanne. Whilst travelling in East Asia their romance began. And that's how come Dave was made in Japan. Just like a fridge. Just like a fridge. We thought that Dave would always be alone, just like a fridge. Cause Dave is not very good at talking to girls, just like a fridge. But then he found someone to call his own. We finally met her when he brought her home, but she couldn't quite fit into the living room. She was massive, just like a fridge. Just like a fridge. Just like a fridge. Thank you very much. You've been lovely. I've been Gaz Mitchell. See you later. Goodbye.